Yep, it's disassembled. Mostly. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, the truck, as you can see, it's already getting worked on. Fenders are already primed and ready to block. I'm just waiting for those couple of days for the primer to dry well. But some of the dents, some of the door dings that it had, they're being fixed. I still need to put some primer here. I don't know why I didn't apply it, but no worries. I need to remove the windshield. The windshield's gonna come off. We're gonna replace it. But the doors are gonna come off. Mirrors, moldings, you know me, I remove everything from the vehicle so that I can get the paint all the way. So that's it. On both sides it's the same, but we're gonna start painting. We're gonna start painting the tailgate. Let me show you. Let's jump into that. All right, here is the tailgate. Now it's been fixed. It had a little dent there. It's been fixed. Everything has been worked on. This back part, I'm not gonna paint it because customer's gonna apply some rhino lining, I believe. So that's not gonna be, they're gonna resand it anyways, so I'm not gonna be repainting that, but I'm gonna be painting these sides. I don't think they put rhino lining on those, so I'm gonna be repainting that. And let's get started. But the gun I'm gonna be using, let me show it. I'm gonna be using the No Name XRP paint gun right there. Remember that I showed it, I did the unboxing. Now it's gonna be the review. Let's see how good this paint gun sprays. I know you guys been waiting for it. Let's go. I've had a lot of questions as to how good the sealer from Eurochem is. Guys, this is one of the best sealers that I have used. They have so many different colors, so I highly recommend them. That's the only sealer that I have used for a long time, so really good sealer. There it is, the sealer. Only needs one coat. And about the gun, so far so good. So far so good. Let's see how it does in the metallics, because this paint job is going to be all metallic. So let's just prep the metallic paint and get it ready for that paint on the tailgate. Also guys, if you're wondering where I got this contraption, I'll leave all the information in the description below, guys, where you can get one. Real nice tool to have. It's excellent. Works perfect. You can put several different panels on both sides. Get yourself one. This is the color right here. It's an OEM color. Let's just mix it up, pour it on the gun. Let's spray it. All right, there's the first coat. Now I did have to turn down the fan on the gun just half a turn. That seems to be the sweet spot. Let's apply the other 2 coats, make it 3 coats, and it'll be done. And there it is. This is 3 coats. Now, because this is metallic, I'll be doing a control coat. Some people call it a drop coat. Some people call it other different names, but I call it a control coat because you're controlling how the metallics land. Let me show you exactly what it's all about to have a perfect metallic finish with no striping, no tiger striping, no blotchiness or anything. Let's begin. I'm gonna teach you how to control it, and then just look at me how I'm doing it so that you can know. Usually when I paint, I'm about 5 inches away from the panel, okay? Now with a control coat, you're gonna be about 9 to 10 inches away from the panel. And it's gonna be like a mist. You're gonna start misting all the panel, exactly like if you were painting, but it's gonna be misting it. What that's gonna do, it's gonna allow the metallics to end up in the right place, in the right position, and flat. So let me do it so that you can see how I'm doing it. Now the clear that's going to be going on this truck, it's from American Icon C820 Euro Clear, right there. This is mixed 2 to 1. Let's mix it up, start applying it. Should I use this gun for clear? Yeah, let's do it. Let's see how this gun sprays clear also. Why not? All right, first coat. Now for the clear, I did bump up the pressure to 33 psi. For the base, I forgot to mention, I was at 29 psi. So there you go. This is the first coat. Let me apply 2 more coats, which will be 3 coats. Let's see how the finish is. There it is. 3 coats. 3 coats of clear. I think that's more than enough. Came out real nice. So that gun can apply clear also. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright guys, this will be it. This will be it for this video. This will be it for that review of that paint gun. I'll leave all the information in the description below as to where all you can get all these materials that I'm using. And that's it guys. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Have a great week. I'll see you next coming weekend. Like always, God bless.